that quick movement, all right? So, but again, glasses off, performed one eye at a time. Okay? So Stephanie, now I have two stimuluses here, okay? One green, one blue. I want you to look at the blue, and when I say switch, I want you to switch and look at the opposite stick, okay? And switch. 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 Okay, so I'm looking for that quick movement back and forth. Impairments would be somebody going 3/4 of the way, stopping a little bit, and then maybe doing the corrective movement to get to the target. Somebody going way past the target and then coming back to it. Somebody going only 3/4 of the way and never making it there. Okay? Especially if you see someone who has range of motion impairment, they're not going to be able to do it. Okay? Another thing that happens is when you have a patient with inattention, they're not going to find that stimulus. You're not going to be able to bring them there. You know, you have to modify your testing, or it's inconclusive testing. You can't really test this appropriately. Visual field deficit, same thing. You bring it into their visual field that's impaired, they're like, what are you talking about, that blue stimulus? Okay? Again, modified or unable to be performed because of it's inconclusive. All right? But again, saccades, visual pursuits, and object fixation, all performed monocularly without glasses. Okay? And ocular range of motion, monocularly without glasses. The only one performed with glasses and monocularly and both eyes together is the acuity. Next up is vergence. So vergence is a binocular skill. That's the ability to track something coming towards your face and moving away. All right? All right, so with this, I'm going to say, Stephanie, I want you to look right here. Okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to be moving the stimulus slowly up and towards your nose. Okay? If at any point you start to see double or see more than one, I want you to let me know. Okay? Look right here. Okay? And follow, follow, follow. So what I'm looking for is that coordinated movements of the eyes moving in towards the nose, okay, as well as the eyes moving away. Now, anything within 6 inches of the nose, if they report double vision, that's normal. You all could have that breaking point. 6 inches and out, so from 6 to 16, then that's an impairment, okay? That's the eyes are convergence insufficiency. They're unable to successfully converge. Okay, that's a problem with muscle strength as well as coordination with the eyes. Reason why I'm asking if she sees double, because if she sees double, that means the eyes are not aligning on it, okay? Or more than one. Sometimes it's not a complete double, but it starts to become like larger than one, okay? Also, another thing you might see is they don't report double vision, which would be interesting after you told me what happened. They don't report double vision, but the eye deviates outwards, okay? Because what happens is if that eye deviates outwards and you see it, the right eye move, but they're not reporting double vision, is the brain's turning that eye off, okay? It's not looking at it. And that's what happens a lot of times when people have constant double vision, or when they have visual impairments, or when your acuity in one eye differs so dramatically from the other, the brain just shuts it off because it's so frustrating and so annoying, they just literally turn off the eye.